To list a property, start by downloading the Expedia application from the App Store. Once installed, log into your profile or register if you don't have one. The Expedia home screen offers various options, including stays, flights, cars, packages, things to do, and cruises. You can discover new favorites, search for specific options, and view your trips in one place. To create a new trip, click the Create Trip button in the top right corner. The application also features a notifications bar and an account section, where you can access your profile, communications, payments, and settings. To list a property, go to the application's website, where you'll find the Expedia Group option. Here, you can choose to list either a product residence or a lodging. This process allows you to showcase your property and make it available to potential customers.